Hi, this is a tutorial on how to put ipsp on your PlayStation Portable. It's basically just like an iPhone, but it's on your PSP. It has dig, photo, uh, games, lock, weather, which is really accurate, by the way. It's really awesome. It's got lock, really cool. It's also got an internet browser, and it has all the major messengers. Talk to one of your buddies. But anyway, this is the site that you'll need to go to. It's I don't know if you can see it or not. It's ipsp.fluidmarkup.com, and then you'll go down to the manual install, and you'll click on that, save it to your desktop, and then you'll go over and then that's the zipped file right there. Right there. There's a zip file. You right click on it, extract it, and you'll end up with that file. Click on it. There's your ipsp file. You'll put your PSP right there in the USB mode, connected to your computer. It'll say removable disk F or E. That really doesn't make a difference. Then you'll click on PSP and then common, and you'll drag that unzipped folder into your common file. After that, you can exit out, and here, let's go. Right here. You go over to your internet browser. Right there. I already have it loaded, but that's not the point. What you'll do is you will go to your settings, go down to view settings, and it should do just like that. Everything should be on. Then you go down to cache settings. This is really important, and set it to do not use. I repeat, do not use cache. Very bad. Then you go down to you'll delete everything right there. Delete cookies, delete cache, delete authentication information, and delete input history. Okay. Then you'll go back and you'll go up to address entry, and you will enter that right there. file:/PSP/common. Yes, capitalization is required for PSP and common. Then you'll put /IPSP/index.html. Then you will click on it, and then there you go. Your ipsp. You've got your dig, photos, the calculator. See? Fully functional. lock, which is really awesome. You go down. You got your running clock, the cool little background just from your iPhone or whatever. You can scroll down and you hit it, and then there you go. Slide to unlock feature. Weather, which is really accurate, by the way. Told me it was gonna rain the other day. Totally rained. Really awesome to have the weather on your pizzle pea. iPod, which I really quite haven't figured out yet, but when I do figure it out, I'll post a video. You've got your browser, your net browser, and your games. Now the games is kind of tricky because they won't work at first. You'll have to like click on multiple games. Like you'll click here. I'll show you actually. You'll click on your games, and then you'll click on Pong. You'll do it, and then watch. See what happened? It'll go back. Then what you'll end up doing, click on a different game. See? It'll go back. Now when you pick that third game, it'll give you that option right there. When you click on to play your games, always put it in the first tab. That would be the red tab. And then it'll work fine. See, watch.
So, we've got a bigger problem. Well, what might that be? New reports are coming in from cities all over the world.
And then there's your game. Works just fine. You've got your about. Here, I'll show you. Don't know why we would put that on ipsp, but whatever. I guess it's just a choice. Just shows you what version you're running of it.
Oh, this is only the beginning, Davis. And I can't let you interfere.
And then you've got your IM. Talk to one of your buddies when he's on your cell phone, and you can do it from your ipsp. All the good mails and VIP are online. Don't go on it. It takes forever. So yeah, that was a tutorial telling you how to put ipsp on your pizzle pea. So until next time, see ya.